This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, slide-out, DVD player, smoke detector, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 27BH is 8,394 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.